What's up, you guys? It's Sifu, Amin, Jani here. In today's video, I'm going to give you a little technique to help you improve your mental powers, as well as help open your third eye. Now, what you're going to see is an image that's called a Yantra, and this image is actually scientifically proven to change the brain, to get it into a meditative state and make the left and right hemispheres connect together. So what does that mean? It means you're going to be more creative. It means you're going to be more in a meditative state, more easier, more often, get that alpha brainwaves going, and it means you're going to have more focus, more concentration, more clarity, and better memory. So all you have to do is stare at the center of this image. There's a little white dot. You just stare at the white dot, and all you have to do is just stare at it for 1 minute, and you just do it once a day, every day, and you'll see great results. It's that simple. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe, like, and share, and use it as often as you need for this meditation. Or you can go to Google and find a Yantra image for yourself, and you can look at your own image whenever you want. Put it on your phone or on your computer or desktop, whatever you like. But also, just before I go, I want you guys to know I have this technique in my third eye book on how to open. It's actually the last chapter. And there's a bunch of other cool information that's hard to get out, that's not really out there. So if you guys like this technique and you like more information on opening your third eye, please check out my ebook too. I'll put the link below. Thank you for your time. Enjoy your meditation. Have fun, you guys.